Hey everyone, welcome back to Item Inc. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment down below, and subscribe to become part of our growing community. For more information on compatible models, check the description down below. Today, we will discuss how to replace the fuser for the HP LaserJet M402. Let's dive right into the video. To begin, remove the paper cassette tray by pulling it straight out. Open the front cartridge door by pressing the door release on the right cover and remove the toner cartridge. To remove the left cover, start with removing the screw on the left cover. Next, open the rear door assembly and remove the left cover by releasing the locking tabs. With the rear door assembly still open, remove the right cover by releasing the locking tabs. To remove the rear door assembly, begin by removing the screws on the left and right of the rear door. If you have a base model printer, you will just slide out the rear door assembly. This next step will only apply if you have a Duplex printer. Press the green paper guide release to remove the rear door assembly. Remove the fuser cable cover and remove the fuser cables carefully. 2 on the rear and 1 on the power supply. Next, remove 2 screws on the left and 2 on the right side to remove the fuser. In order to remove the fuser, be sure to pull down the pressure release link arm and carefully slide out the fuser. Now you can install the new fuser. Insert the new fuser and replace the 4 screws and reconnect the fuser cables. Don't forget to put the fuser cable cover back on. Insert the rear door assembly in place and put the screws on the left and right side. If you have a duplex version, lift to lock the duplex unit back into place. If the front door is closed, you can reopen it by inserting the screwdriver into the front door release hole. Install the right cover by locking the back first and work your way to the front. Make sure the right cover aligns just right with the top cover and no gaps are visible. Install the left cover by standing the machine on its side and starting from the back and working your way to the front, replacing the screws in the front. Finally, you can reinsert the toner and reconnect the power cord. Next, turn the printer on, and the error message should have disappeared. That's all for our quick guide on replacing the fuser for the HP LaserJet M402. Hit that like button if it helped, subscribe for more, and check the description for more details. See you next time at Item Inc.